Hello and welcome back. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a slip stitch. This is one of the simplest and most versatile crochet stitches. It's super useful for joining pieces, finishing edges or rounds, or even just moving your yarn across a project without adding height. So grab your yarn and hook and let's do it. First, you need to figure out where you're working your slip stitch. It could be into a chain, into a stitch, or even a ring if you're working in the round. Once you know where you're going, insert your hook right into that stitch or space. Next, you're going to yarn over your hook. To do this, you're going to wrap the yarn from the back to the front. Now, use your hook to pull that yarn through the stitch or space you just inserted into. At this point, you should have 2 loops on your hook. This loop is the loop you just pulled through, and this loop is the original loop on our hook. The final step is to take the loop that's closest to the tip of your hook, aka the new one, and pull it through the other loop on your hook. And that's it! You made a slip stitch. So simple, right? If your pattern calls for more slip stitches, you'll just move to the next stitch or space and repeat those steps. Insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, and pull through the loop on your hook. Try to keep your tension loose. Slip stitches are naturally very small, so if you pull too tight, they'll be harder to work into later. Slip stitches are super easy once you get the hang of it, and you'll find them popping up in so many patterns. Please let me know in the comments if you have any questions or issues, and I'll try my best to help you. Thanks for watching, and happy crocheting!